Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we'll show you how to connect the Skydroid C11 directly to a PC via Ethernet. First, make an Ethernet cable with an RJ45 connector for the PC. The C11 pinout corresponding to the RJ45 connector is as follows. RD pin 1. RD plus pin 2. PD pin 3. PD plus pin 6. After connecting the C11 to the computer, connect the power supply to the C11 gimbal camera. On your computer, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet, and enter Advanced Network Settings. Select the C11 Ethernet adapter, click More Adapter Options, double-click Internet Protocol version 4, then select Use the following IP address. Enter the following IP address: 192.168.144.10. Then click the subnet mask field to let it generate automatically, and finally click OK. After the network configuration is complete, open VLC Media Player. Click Media in the upper left corner, then select Open Network Stream. Enter the C11 RTSP address. RTSP 192.168.144.108:554 stream equals 0. Click play and you will see the live video from the C11 displayed normally in VLC. Next, you can also paste the C11 RTSP address into QGround control. As you can see, the live video can also be displayed normally in QGC. That concludes this tutorial on connecting the Skydroid C11 directly to a PC via Ethernet. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and user guides. See you in the next video.